Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox and fix the microphone not showing or not working. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website and sign into your account. On the website, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Roblox app, tap the More menu, then open Settings. Next, go to Account Info and make sure your date of birth is correct. If it's incorrect, click Reset. If the option is available, enter the correct date of birth and save your changes. Now scroll down and click Continue with ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your age using a valid government-issued ID and complete the selfie verification. Once your age has been verified, go back to Settings, then open Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap Communication and make sure Experience Chat is turned on. After that, go to Voice Data Usage and enable the toggle. Now, join a Roblox game that supports voice chat, such as Mic Up. If your microphone still doesn't appear, leave the game, go back to Settings, open Account Info, and select the Continue button option if it's available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the face scan. If Roblox estimates that you're old enough for voice chat based on its current eligibility requirements, go back into a voice-enabled game. Your microphone icon should now appear, and voice chat should be ready to use. That's it. Your Roblox voice chat should now be enabled and working properly.